What is up, YouTube? Today we are here at our campsite, the Chain of Lakes, and we are going to end up going out and doing another live. We've been doing a lot of those lately, and we're going to film a video while we do that. But first, got to make the fam some breakfast. So we got some Black Forest ham and egg sandwiches going. We're going to get that going, and then we're going to go catch us some fish. Stay tuned. All right, guys, now that we are done with that deliciousness, we're gonna eat our second half of the sandwich and we're gonna head out. And we're gonna catch whatever presents itself. Let's go. What is up, YouTube? Today we're here at Fox Chain of Lakes State Park, Fox River, and it is very windy. We're gonna start off by trying to catch some small bait fish, toss them out for channel cats, walleye, northern pike, chance for all that. I'm gonna have another bottom rod with bread, and we're gonna cast in between with small lures, trying to catch any other predators lurking. Stay tuned for some epic action. There's a lot of weeds out here, so not really sure. But last time I had that about right there. We caught a catfish. I can't really put my rods up, so we're gonna throw a little white tiny chatter here. It's got a little minnow swim bait on there. Gonna give that a go. Little tiny chatterbait, very sharp hooks. Then I got a little crankbait I want to throw, as well as my minnow jigs. So we just caught this beautiful golden shiner here. And we're going to throw that guy out for catfish. Oh, they are scaly. Alright, so now we're going to throw that guy out for big fish. Literally just the hook this guy caught. I was using bread. Then the bread came off, so I just kept tossing the hook in, and that shimmer seemed to just get him to go. Yeah, now I'm going to throw this out. Here. Alright, so now we're doing what we wanted to do. Sometimes in the beginning it takes time. We got a shiner out there. I could probably catch more of those. I'm gonna drop the hook down just to see if that wasn't a fluke. No, I got white bread on this rod. Yeah, a lot of catfish and carp will eat the white bread. There we go. So we're getting these little shiners with nothing but a hook. Just a little hook. No bait. That's awesome. So now on my small little 4-pound test, I think I'm gonna put this away right now. And on my 4-pound test, I'm going to toss out a little tiny crankbait. And I got a variety of little tiny crankbaits, so let's see. Nothing on the bread or the little shiner. Never used a shiner for bait. I've never used a shiner for bait ever. But apparently they bite. hooks without bait, so that makes it quite easy. There's one. There's one. We got something here, boys. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, that's just a bass. It's just a bass, guys. Oh, he just got off. Barely hooked in the lip, tip of the lip. It's probably about 14 inches. We had that shiner out there, remember? Oh, it's fighting, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah, this is that shiner, guys. Woo. This is awesome. If I had to guess, I would say it feels like a catfish, but I don't like to speculate, guys. That's a catfish, guys. Holy shit. That's a nice channel cat. Wow. Is that filming? That is filming too. Shiners that we were just catching right here that I showed you, not using any freaking bait. He's trying to tangle me on the pole here, dude. Oh, sorry fish. Sorry fish. I'm trying to see if I can just get him up real quick. That's beautiful. Check that out. What a beast. Nice channel catfish here. Fox River. Got him on those shiners we were just throwing. What a fight. What a fight. This one's done. I gotta focus on this one. There we are, YouTube. A beautiful channel catfish. We showed you exactly our mindset and thought process and how we caught it. I almost feel like I caught this one a few days ago on our last live, but who's really to say? Beautiful, beautiful catfish. He took a live shiner hooked in the tail. Live shiner. I'm doing a live right now. You guys can watch this video back, see yourself. So that's kind of cool. But we're gonna get that hook out just like that. Look at that beautiful fish, guys. Monstrous. Fox River channel catfish out here, 2:09 p.m. Been streaming for 62 minutes. Got a bass, several sharks, this beautiful catfish. Going for the release. What a strong fish. Going in, guys. There he goes. Yeah. There we go. Oh, this is, wow. Well, even more proof, guys. This is a little bass. I can't use him. But little tiny largemouth there. Beautiful little fish. Beautiful tank fish. But yeah, we can't use this guy. He's going right back in. Isn't that crazy to see? little hook, fishing for shiners with nothing on it. They just seen that shimmer, that shine, and they're grabbing it. That bass came out of nowhere. It was very quick. Another one of these guys on there. We just caught out here. And I like to get them right in the back of the tail here. Gotta watch for their scales. Just kind of brush all those scales away, because the scale on the tip of that hook is gonna allow you not to get a dang thing. So we literally just caught these earlier on film with just a hook, no bait. And now we're gonna throw it out. Caught a big channel catfish the first time. Now we're gonna give it another go here. Well, maybe not actually. I can't have a cast. I guess I can throw more this way. Try a little bit this way since they're selling kayaks right now. That should be good. Small treble hook with the bread. I like the bread because I can throw it on top of these weeds, and if I let it fall, the sinker falls on the slack line, then this will gradually slowly fall on top of the weeds, not bury into them. But you got to firm it up and you got to wet it before you can cast it out. Otherwise, it'll fall out right when you cast it. And this we're going to put up here. I like both of the rods up here in the left corner so I can focus on them easier. I think I'm going to give this rod another go even more. Just cast it, I'm going to cast it. Oh yeah, got leaves and weeds. That's what I'm saying, that's the battle today, man. If I can cast it where there's no weeds. And yeah, potentially I could throw a float out there with one of these on there. But it's just so windy. I'll leave that out there now. Let's go back and cast our, what are we gonna cast? Got my little crankbait on this rod. See that? That was not, was that weeds? I don't know, maybe it was. That did not feel like weeds to me, even though I have weeds on here. My line on this rod was in the water and not tight. Look, man, I just missed one, guys, because I'm stupid. Damn it. Took my fish, too. Bro. I knew something was up because I just happened to look back and I wasn't slack anymore. Yeah, that's all right. That fish is still hanging around. I got another one in here. I'm gonna have to try to catch more though. Oh boy, catch one fish. This shiner thing's actually working out quite nice. That would have been our second one, man. If I wasn't a dumbass. Here we got shiner, right in the back of the tail here. The catfish, but I'll tell you right now, whatever that was, it was pulling it, and I missed him. Got a slip sinker rig, Carolina rig, river rig, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same shit. That one blows my mind. I knew something was up because I had my, oh man, had my stuff slack lined. And when I looked over here, I just happened to turn around and I realized my line wasn't slack anymore. It was actually kind of tight. And then shortly after, oh man, we could have had another one right there. I know I wasn't sticking around for no reason. Many people would have left after that big kitty cat. Oh man, that would have been nice. Now on this shiner that I got on the bottom, I can catch easily northern muskie, walleye, even a perch, nice perch, bass, anything about it. Man, got a circle hook on there, but for some reason I felt the weight of him and I just wanted to set the hook. But he didn't have it, he was eating it. That was a nice fish. I was just twirling around in a circle on the way in, and I missed something decent, very decent. Alright guys, and with that, that's going to do it for us today out here Fox River Chain Lakes State Park. Walked up on the docks and saw some shiners, so we tossed in first bread. That didn't seem to work, and then I just randomly tossed in my hook with no bait on it, started catching shiners, took those, threw them on a right at the bottom, and started having immediate success. We're still fishing right now, but just in case my batteries go off, we're saying thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. What geofishing brings to you is every week of every month of every year. That's what geofishing brings to you. There's a video or two or sometimes three every single week. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys next week on another geofishing exclusive. Peace.